EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for April 10th, 2020. We're going to have a very unseasonably cold day today. This is going to be with seeing temperatures more than 10 degrees below average for this time of year. And it will be windy still. So the wind we had yesterday during the frontal passage and then afterwards is going to continue today with some cold air advection coming into the region and maybe even a few snowflakes in the far northern areas here of northeast PA. This is all wrapping around yesterday's system, which is now kind of sitting up here near just east of Maine, and you have some wraparound precipitation getting down into as far southwest as northeast PA here today. So just there in some areas we'll see some snowflakes flying today after just spending just 2 days ago. Many areas saw temperatures getting to or near 70 degrees. So quite the change here with this deep trough settling into the region is going to be in place for today, and it'll start to move out tomorrow. But for elsewhere, we're looking at generally partly cloudy skies, partly to mostly cloudy, we'll call it, across our central areas closest to that, but it should remain dry in most areas except for far northeastern Pennsylvania. And you can see this on the NAM high-res futures simulated radar starting off at 8 a.m. And as I move this forward in time here, you get a little piece of that coming into northeast PA. This is actually looking at around noon, early afternoon. You can see some snowflakes there in those areas. But that's all it is. I'm not expecting any accumulations up in these areas because we're not, temperatures shouldn't be, or ground temperatures will be too warm for most of these areas, and at the same time, temperatures should remain in the 40s, so a little bit too warm for stickage there, but still some flakes flying because of the upper air temperatures being very cold. Then once we get beyond this, we do start seeing this trough start to lift out a little bit here on Saturday, so we're going to have temperatures moderate. By the way, the windy conditions today, 35 to 45 mile per hour gust at times, and that's going to go through late this afternoon before it starts to die down a little bit, but still going to be gusty overnight with some wind gusts as high as 30 to 35 miles per hour overnight before that completely dies down. It's going to favor the evening hours for that to occur before it starts to go die down even further overnight. Saturday's not going to be totally out of the woods with the wind. I think you're still going to get winds out of the west-northwest 10 to 15. Could have some higher gusts to about 25 or so on Saturday. But so the wind's going to gradually take a step down. But during the day today, it's going to be just as windy as yesterday was. And then start to taper off a little bit overnight, and then even more so here on Saturday. So we'll have Sunday here is going to be a big difference in temperatures between Saturday and Sunday. We're looking at a 5 to 6 degree increase from today to Saturday as far as temperatures go. So we'll go from maybe upper 40s to or thereabout to middle 50s, and then we get into the upper 60s in many locations here on Sunday. We'll start off partly cloudy, then clouds are increase late in the day, and we could have cloudy skies by the time we get to the evening. This next system is going to move in. This is going to be another impactful system, and this is going to be one of we've had a lot of systems that we were dealing with that brought some showers and periods of rain here and there, but they weren't huge systems. This one does have the potential to be a very impactful and huge system, an alert-worthy type system here, with some heavy rainfall that's going to come in here on Sunday night. Some showers coming in Sunday night initially that'll turn into periods of rain, and then some heavy rain going into the day here on Monday. Could be some wind involved with this as well. Some strong winds again with this system, with low pressure tracking over or near the region. So this could be a very heavy rainmaker that will wrap up in the evening on Monday and pull away. And then we return to partly cloudy skies behind that. The next trough comes in right behind it on its heels. So we're going to have cooler temperatures Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week as this next trough settles in, or at least a piece of it does. But we're not looking at any precipitation until we get to Thursday now, with a little piece of energy. And this is just coming in here at the around in the base of the trough here. So this is like late Wednesday night and Thursday morning. Just a quick wave here. This might not be here in a couple days. We'll see, because it would look like you were looking at this video yesterday. It looked like something's going to come in here on Tuesday. That's no longer the case. Partly cloudy both Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday we'll watch for maybe a few showers with this quick moving system. But it does look like it's going to remain on the cooler side as we get through the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the heart of next week. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for April 10th, 2020. Have a great Friday.